and we are code red come. When we come, we say we know we welcome. When we come, fire, 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 burning. Fire burning, 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 feel the fire burning. Fire burning, 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 feel the fire burning. Children, oh my goodness, what are you clapping for? And the Bible says a little child shall lead the way. And my heart is filled to see so many children here this evening. Yes, Jerkfest, we have this one for you from our hearts straight to your heart. This is one of your favorite songs. Am I really here in your arms? Just like I dreamed it. Am I really here in your arms? Just like I dreamed it would be. I feel like I'm frozen in time. You're the only one I could see. And hey, I've put all my life for you. Now you're here. And hey, I spent all my life with you. All my life. And I never really knew how to love. I just thought somehow I'd see it. That's a little love from above. Ooh, send an angel down to me. Hey, I've lived all my life for you. And now you're here. Now you're here. Hey, I spent all my life with you. All my life. All the life. Never thought I could be in love so tenderly. And I never thought I would let it show. Now my heart is on my sleeve. This love will never leave. I know. I know. I've lived all my life for you. And now you're here. Now you're here. Hey, I've spent all my life with you. All my life. Hey, I've all my life for you. And now you're here. so much, dear press, and you know, of course, getting some help from my son, tell him. Jason. We continue to tell her that message. Hey, dear press, you can't take the standing up still now. This is reggae music. You have to rock it. Come in on this, Prince. The beauty and splendor is what I remember when I'm thinking of back in those days. We played volleyball and climbed waterfalls and watched the sunset end of the day. At night we would listen to the #1 sound and dance the night away. Kids used to mash it, you all used to rock it. Big kids used to flash it, Brigadier Jerry used to clock it, and everyone feeling irate. I remember the cane men on the street corner selling that sweet sugar cane. We used to feel it and bag it and talk to me nice. Even remember my name. That sensitive last well I remember so well. While rocking in the dance of all time I used to mash it. I think what I used to rock it. David brothers inseparable and everyone feeling irate. Come on, you used to mash it. I took the people as I rock it. I'm in the small, the lollipop girl, and everyone feeling irate. Two times in the center, bam bam. One time the whistle, boom shakalaka, and everyone feeling irate. 10 days ago, care for me at all. Care for me at all. I sing, say, everyone feeling irate. True place and rubber ducks kindly. Rock it. Rock up, come in. I want to them, I want to them. I want to them, I want to them. Me na no, me na no. Mama, mama, out in the street they call it welcome to Jamdon. Welcome to Jamdon. Welcome to Jamdon. For people that are random, political violence can't done. Welcome to Jamdon. Time up here. How about you? I am having a ball. And you know what? I am so happy because the next song that I'm going to do right here, my sister, my beloved sister, Sister Rita Marley, you know what? She's right here with us. Sister Rita, big up yourself. Yeah, welcome, Sister Rita. I wanna get high, so high. I wanna get high. I can't do it like Sister Rita. I wanna get high, so high. I wanna get high, so high. One drop, one drop, hey. One drop, one drop. Hey brother man, hey what I say, give us some of your sense. Hey Rasta man, hey what I say, give us some of your sense. I have been searching for a place, looking all over, a place that's just a naked offer. Satisfied, my mind so fucking see what I can see, what I get, and just like I said, tell you straight to my I wanna get high, so high. I wanna get high, I wanna get high, so high, so high. One drop, take a whiff, one drop, light up your split, one drop, take a whiff, one drop. Hey brother man, hey what I say, give us some of your senses. Hey Rasta man, hey what I say, give us some of your senses. Give me some rhythm with me and I love some tender, so nice inside some melody. And won't you come and dance with me? I am in the dancing room. Won't you come and just like I said, I say to my and now I'm high, so high. I'm feeling high, so high. I'm feeling high, so high. I'm feeling high, so high. Hey, Sister Rita, I build one step and take away. I build one step and take away. I take away the bad sense in me. I give a bad sense in me. I roll a little bit and take away. I roll a little bit and take away. I take away the bad sense in me. I put the bad sense in me. I really, 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 really. 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 Lift your voices and make a joyful noise unto the Most High God. Man to man is so unjust, not true. You don't know who to trust. Your worst enemy could be your best friend, and your best friend, your worst enemy. Some will eat and drink with you, and behind them, only a friend know your secret, so only he could reveal it. And I would and I would show me con, the carnival, the carnival. They said cook, 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 knock, knock, knock. Some will hate you, pretend they love you now. Then behind they try to eliminate you, but who chaplains? night should turn to day now. A lot of people would run away. I can hear you. I'm sure they can't, the cause of all.